Good evening, everyone. This is Hamza Abdullah, and this is my analysis video 2/teacher reflection. I was a teacher this week, so I'll be discussing my reflection on teaching this chapter and my assignment this past week. My biggest reflection and takeaway from this chapter is how I really didn't know the impact that media advocacy has on alcoholism or young minds when it comes to consuming and buying alcohol. I say that because media advocacy can really swing things one way or the other way when it comes to how they represent certain things in the media. So alcoholism is a huge problem in the United States. But just beyond that, while I was reading throughout the chapter, the rate at which young people my age, I'm 23, 18 to 25, that they drink in the past few years has skyrocketed, consuming hard liquor, things of that nature. So the media, unfortunately, still does have a swing towards the positive side of when it comes to portraying alcohol in the media. You'll see it a lot of times: Hennessy commercials, Ciroc commercials. A lot of podcasts that are out on YouTube are sponsored by Hennessy, not Hennessy, but hard liquors such as vodkas and things of that nature. Even huge corporations like the NFL have Bud Light partners, and college football, they even have right now Dr. Pepper, but they back in the past they had not hard liquor, but alcoholic sponsors. The other side of that, the negative side that isn't portrayed in the media as such, when they get ready to, and you'll see it like in small fine print or real quick at the end of the commercial, they'll say you responsibly must be over the age of 21. But that isn't the big thing that's advertised when they do advertise these alcoholic beverages. They do advertise having a great time, having fun, and doing all this, that, and third. I spoke about this in some of my images that I showed while I was within my presentation in the chapter, that a lot of times when alcohol is being presented or being advertised, everyone who's consuming the alcohol or whoever is doing it, it'll be they're always having fun or having a good time. So we just need to make sure we be careful on how we intake media advocacy on alcohol and make smart decisions. So that was one of my biggest takeaways or biggest things that I wanted to impart when I was teaching this chapter. Things that I feel like I could have did better on analysis videos and just presenting information in a more digestible way, because I kind of just, rambled a little bit when I was presenting the information. But things that I felt like I did good on was make sure the information was all there so that everyone could digest it, even if it wasn't in a fully concise, digestible way. I did want to make sure I did get as much information out there as possible. So thank you.